Hi everyone, welcome to Hero Handmade YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these easy and stylish crochet earrings. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners and will help you create beautiful handmade jewelry. First of all, we will look into the things needed. We need some yarn. I'm going to be using cotton yarn 3-ply, 2mm steel crochet hook, 2 hook ear wires, 2 eye pins, 2 of the 4mm jump rings, 2 plastic beads to decorate, the yarn needle, pair of scissors, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, and the wire cutters. These are the things required. If you are looking for the materials I'm using today, check out the affiliate links in the description box below. By using those links, you can get the same materials and support my channel at no extra cost to you. If you like DIY accessories and unique fashion pieces, this crochet earring tutorial is just for you. Let's get started. We will start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your pointer finger 2 times. And then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring, and then work 12 single crochets into the magic ring. So insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet of the round. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the second single crochet of the round. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. After completing 12 single crochets into the magic ring, this is what it looks like. You can pull this tail tight to close the magic ring, like so. And then we need to work a slip stitch into the very first single crochet of the round to join. So insert the hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through the ring and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the first round. Chain 1 to start the second round, yarn over and pull through the loop. And then work 1 single crochet into the very same stitch. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. And then move into the second stitch and work 2 single crochets into the second stitch. 1 and 2. After that, work 1 half double crochet into the very next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is the half double crochet. Now work another double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. And then we are going to work 3 treble crochets into the next stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the treble crochet. We need to complete 2 more treble crochets into the same stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again make another treble crochet into the very same stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. After that, work 1 double crochet into the very next stitch. Now work 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. And then we will work 2 single crochets into the next stitch. 1 and 2. Now work 1 single crochet into the stitch after that. With that we have completed 1 half of the motif. And we will repeat the same pattern to complete the other half. So work 2 single crochets into the stitch. And work 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. Work 1 double crochet into the same stitch. And then work 3 treble crochets into the stitch after that. One, two, and 3. And then we will work 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet together into the next stitch. This is the double crochet, and work 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. Now we are left with 1 stitch over here. There we need to work 2 single crochets into the last stitch of the round. 1 and 2. With that we have completed the second round as well. Work a slip stitch to join into the very first stitch of the round, like so. And then we will get started with round 3. Chain 1 and then work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we are going to work 1 single crochet, chain 2 and another single crochet into the next stitch. 1 single crochet, chain 2 and another single crochet into the same stitch. And then work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And then we are going to work 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. 1 single crochet, chain 3 and another single crochet into the very same stitch. And then we will work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. With that we have completed the round, and then work a slip stitch to join into the very first single crochet of the round. With that we have completed the motif, and then leave a little tail for sewing, and you can cut the yarn off. This is what it looks like, and then we will use the yarn needle to hide the tails of the project. Now you can just repeat the same pattern to complete the other piece as well. And in the next segment I will show you how to join all the pieces to complete the earring. Now we have both the pieces ready, and we will first take the eye pin, open it up by using the pliers and insert the hook ear wire and close it up. And then we are going to slide the bead into the eye pin and create a loop on the other side. Like this. And then take the jump ring, open it up, and we will insert the motif into the jump ring and also the loop of the bead here, and then secure that with the pliers. Now we have completed one of the earrings. This is what it looks like. And then we can just repeat the process and complete the second earring as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these easy crochet earrings. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and crochet tutorials. Don't forget to check out the description box for the affiliate links to all the materials I used today. Your support helps keep this channel going. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Happy crocheting! I'll see you in the next video.